and parachute, all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, getting the door. Coming, make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we are continuing on with our 24 days of Knifemas by opening up this Boker Plus Advent Calendar. Today is December 3rd, and we're building this knife right here. So without any further ado, let's take a look what we have here. And we're looking for the number 3. All right, let's find out what's inside of the box. Oh, okay. All right, so let's go ahead and grab what we already got. The first 2 days, we got 2 liners. So we have this. So this is our locking mechanism. We have a tool. Put that up there. Here is this. This. And of course, another tool. So, continue watching for the next 21 days. Math was never a strong point. And in 23 days, we will have a knife day.